Do you know the laziest side hustle for YouTubers to do? Just by clicking on your phone? It requires no skill or money to start. A few days ago, I can't fall asleep at night, so I want to listen to some relaxing music to fall asleep. When I search up relaxing video, this channel popped up. I found out that they have 3 million subscribers and made up to almost $100,000 per month. These are some super simple ASMR video that takes no time to make. No skill required, no time required. You can even use your smartphone to edit the shorts. Therefore, it's a no-brainer to start a relaxing channel. Just one image and simple music in the background. Let me show you how. I will also show a really cool free software that can schedule all your shorts and post them all at once. Be sure to watch till the end to get the software. Step 1. Generate relaxing nature images. You want to start with an AI image generator. You can use every image generator you like, such as Midjourney, Leonardo.ai. But today is a new tool that I just found a few days ago to generate AI image. There are 2 text-to-images tools you can use to generate image. There are a lot of text-to-images tools on the market, but this two really take off. I will start by using Microsoft Copilot. This tool doesn't focus on creating images, so there are not much choices, but it can generate quality images. Type in the prompt you want. For me, it will be nature scenery, super relaxing and peaceful. The best quality, 8K, 1920 by 1080, horizontal image. I recommend ending the last qualms word to get the best quality images. Now I know it's hard sometimes to write a good script without you giving the proper instruction for it to follow. To help you out, I have a free AI tool that contains all the useful prompts to talk to any AI. Writes like a pro simple. Click the link in my description box to get it for free. You can also try out Adobe Firefly. For image resolution, I will choose 16:9 for YouTube size. There are a lot of effect or art styles you can choose from. You can also upload reference image to produce your desired images. Now you can play around with them. I'm not a pro when it comes to generate professional images. This looks so good and stunning. I'm satisfied with this first try image. Step 2. Now we are going to create animated images. Head to Pixver to turn still images to animated cool videos. This software can make any still images start to move naturally, literally just with one click. Just sign up to Pixver. First, switch to the image side. Type in the prompt you desire, such add wind blowing hair, panning shot. In this case, I will say wind blowing tree. You can also turn on dual clips to make some fun shots. Feel free to play with strength of motion and seed to get the best result by adjusting strength of motion. You control the movement of the motion to be strong or weak. I just left it with default settings and it works. Fine, click, create, and wait for the magic. This looks too good to be true, and the fact that it's free is mind-blowing. Download it and take it to the last step. Step 3. Add a SMR music. You can use any software to put in the music. I will recommend Canva or CapCut to do this because they have built-in music to choose, which is very convenient to do. After sign up an account, upload your video. Then zoom in the video to take away the Pix logo. Then go to the audio tab and type in rain sound, and there will be millions of rain sound that showed up. Just drag one of the rain sound and that's your really simple relaxing short is done. If you want to further enhance it, just go to video effect and type in rain. Drag the first one in or choose one that you like. Your video is done now. It's really simple to make, and the best part is, this can all make with your smartphone. No skills or money needed. Step 4. Schedule your shorts. You're probably wondering, why am I teaching this? This is so easy. Even a 3-year-old kid can do it. But I'm showing you a really cool software that can connect all your social media and schedule all your posts once and never worry about them. This is the art of AI automation. This software is Metool. You can schedule posts for different social media platforms directly from the Metool dashboard. This feature is beneficial for planning content calendars and maintaining a consistent posting schedule. The best part is, this is all free. I use this software to do all my works, and this is my little secret to post daily on all my platforms. This can maximize your profits to not miss out on any social platforms and get all the money by doing the work once. Obviously, there are a lot of cool features about this software, but today I will only focus on this. Compose your post, write your post content, and add any media, images, videos you want to include. Set date and time. Specify the date and time you want the post to be published. Preview post. Preview your post to make sure everything looks good. Schedule post. Click on the schedule or publish button. Your post is now scheduled. Repeat these steps for any additional posts you want to schedule. Metool will automatically publish your posts at the specified times, helping you maintain a consistent social media presence without having to manually post each time. Not sponsored. Just genuinely sharing here. Now you can get out of here. But if you want to know how to receive multiple income with doing the same amount of work, keep watching. You can provide this service to anyone who needs it and charges them. This is just a simple side hustle, but you can increase your price when your quality gets better each time. Think about the long-term game. Maybe someone saw your works and profile and wanted to create a similar account, or they want to use your work for their company. The possibility is endless. Step 5. Create a Fiverr Upwork account. Creating a Fiverr account is a straightforward process. Just simply follow these steps to set up your Fiverr account. Visit the Fiverr website. Go to the Fiverr website by typing fiverr.com into your web browser's address bar. Sign up. Click on the Join or Sign Up button on the Fiverr homepage. Create your account. You can sign up using your email address or by connecting with your Google or Facebook account. Choose the option that you prefer. Enter details. If signing up with an email, provide the required information, such as email address, a chosen username, and a password. If signing up with Google or Facebook, follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Verification. Fiverr may ask you to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message, and follow the instructions to confirm your registration. Complete your profile. Once your account is created, add a profile picture, write a compelling bio, and highlight your skills and expertise. Create gigs. Gigs are the services you offer on Fiverr. Click on the Create a Gig or similar option to set up the services you're willing to provide. Include a detailed description, pricing, and any extras you offer. Once your account is set up, copy your Fiverr link. Step 6. Put the link in every short videos. Metool allows you to add comments to each comment. You only need to add in once for each posts, and it will automatically post to all the platforms. Sounds good, right? Step 8. Wait people to contact you. Now all you need to do is sit back and wait the algorithm do the work for you. Do nothing for the next 30 days and earn income from shorts, while also the invitations from someone to pay you for your service. Don't forget to grab your free AI prompts to create the best video on YouTube. Here's a couple videos to catch up and comment down below your favorite AI tool.